Hi, I'm Renjumon G. I'm the Managing Director of Techshore Inspection Services. We are into training and engineering services. Training in the sense we provide technical training and management training to various freshers as well as experienced people to enhance their career in any of the industry. They are once the student is coming from a college, if they are a fresher, they want to specialize a program or specialize a field, then they need to attend a specialized course. So that course actually need to get an international support from any of the companies, so any of the organization. So we Techshore train more than 15,000 students. They are working globally, and students they are getting huge salary in the same sector. So because of the passion in the same sector, one of the key area is that our oil and gas sector. Oil and gas is one of the very prestigious sector in the world. Now oil and gas we train so many number of students. They are working in drilling rigs, especially offshore, onshore, especially in refinery, etc. So they are getting huge salary in the same sector, and also they are developing like anything. So in order to achieve the career in the same sector, we people actually having a good number of people and also highly expertise in the same field. They are actually 40 plus year of experience in the same sector. They are the trainers, and they are internationally qualified trainers, and also they are going to give the training to the students. So after completing the students, we are providing 100% replacement support, as well as we give proper certification in the same sector. One of the major area we are focusing is oil and gas. Our diploma and certification program, which was awarded, certificate was awarded by Petroleum University and other German bodies. So and apart from that, our safety course, and that is also we have diploma and certification program. And one more thing I want to clarify with you is that all the courses the candidate need to understand that such a big scenario is going on in this world regarding that. Any students actually looking for a job oriented course, kindly support Techshore, kindly refer Techshore, kindly join Techshore in order to fulfill their ambition. Because in order to select a course, you need to understand what is the scope of the course. So any course we implement in the market having such a huge demand in the same sector. So in order to fulfill their achievement, please kindly go for our course. Please visit our website www.techshore.com and get all details. If you have any queries, please contact us, and also kindly mention your feedback in our mails and everything. We will respond to you shortly. Thank you.